Reserve studies used to be just a document that you received and pondered. Now with uPlanIt, creating or adjusting the reserve plan to customize it for your association becomes an easy, interactive process, and it's all possible with uPlanIt. And that takes us to the end of our program here. Let me wrap it up with a couple of minutes and just walk you through what we're, again, trying to accomplish here. No more frustration, no more wondering. You've got a tool now so you can test all your ideas. It's your association. We want you to feel comfortable guiding it forward. We are here to guide you safely and successfully to the future, whether with our reserve study or with a tool where you can tune it and tweak it yourself. For instance, if I take you on a hike, if you're trying to make time, I'm going to listen to you. I'm going to allow us to hustle. If you're a photographer, I'm going to allow you to step a few steps off the trail and get a picture of that butterfly or that bug or plant or whatever you want to do. We can slow down and allow some variation. So that's what uPlanIt does. It allows you to do the minor variations on your association's path to the future. Years ago, we know, because we've been around for 36, 37 years, the first reserve studies we prepared were on paper. We literally crunched a lot of pieces of paper through the copy machine and put reserve studies in the mail. We spent a lot of years mailing out reserve studies, put a lot of cycles on our copy machine. And then literally 9/11/2001 was the day we first delivered an electronic reserve study to a client. Post office wasn't delivering, UPS, FedEx wasn't delivering, and that was the day we did our first test. We're driven to do the test, and it's been off to the races ever since. Emailing reports and then posting to our client center, and then now we have uPlanIt, where it's not only a document that you read, but it's live and interactive. You get to get your fingers into it. So we like to think of it a little bit like how you nowadays use a navigation app to guide your association. You know where you want to go, but if you want to pull over and stop at a gas station or at a store, you can do that. But uPlanIt is your electronic guideline to get to the future. As I said before, it's free for that budget season with every completed professional reserve study engagement here at Association Reserves. Otherwise, it's $399 for that same budget season by subscription. Again, people who want to do it themselves, people who want to just start playing with their reserve study prepared by another reserve study provider, whatever it is, it's available to you. And it's just one of the many things we do here at Association Reserves. Again, Paige was able to announce it earlier, 80,000 reserve studies. That just, boy, that resonates in my mouth. It tastes good to be able to say that. And we've learned a lot, and we now have some great tools to help our clients be able to apply wisdom in running their associations. We have a lot of resources at Association Reserves. One is our Understanding Reserves book. It's a great desktop or bookcase reference, $24.99 on Amazon. You can download chapter 1 for free from our website, or, I'll put a link to that same book in our outline from today's program. Again, that'll be out in about a week. So you can get a taste of, do you like that? Is that going to help your association make smarter decisions? We also have a YouTube channel where we have recorded videos like this one. It's going to be 30-some minutes, 35 minutes, I think, of content. Or sometimes we break them down into little, like 8-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute segments, tips, just a nice answers to a direct question. And then a fun new resource, this puts a smile on my face, is a 30-minute weekly podcast that we launched earlier this year, specifically for board members. You're the ones that carry this entire community association industry on your shoulders. And so it's a weekly encouragement and insights to equip you. We have guest speakers. We have board member heroes that we feature. You can subscribe from all major podcast platforms, listen to it on or watch it on our YouTube channel, or listen to it directly from the website, which is www.hoainsights.org. Highly recommended. We have fun every week. And again, it's for you, the board members of the community association industry. And with that, we come to the end of our prepared content today, and I'll turn the microphone over to Paige, who will coordinate our Q&A time together. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.